How you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at another one of our projects in the South Bay of Los Angeles, California. This particular project is another school project that we've done for the kids. Between the kids and teachers, they have an awesome vegetable garden set up to my left. Tons of fruit trees, tons of veggies. The kids love growing and eating what they grow. So to make things just another step further, to teach the young ones about aquaponics and aquaculture, we present to you a completely sustainable pond that is not only ornamental, meaning visually pleasing to the eyes, but it has a function to it. The kids here, they're gonna use this nutrient-rich pond water to grow their organic vegetables. So if you notice to my right here, we have a tower. Now that tower is gonna be fed water from this pond, nutrient-rich water from the pond, that is going to then enable the kale, lettuce, chard, all sorts of green veggies the kids can eat, that they can go ahead and grow them and then eat them in its place. It'll be on an automatic timer. It is a pond wash pump that's going to feed that every 15 minutes. So 15 minutes on, 15 minutes off. Now that's just one of those special features of having a pond this size. Another feature of a pond this size is the natural organics that are in the bottom of the pond that go through a pressure filter. Well, people normally with those, sometimes they'll flush them out and they'll go ahead and fertilize the lawn, for example, with all that nutrient-rich fish water. At this particular school, they are hands-on. They want to use all that phenomenal fertilizer from the fish, the organic fertilizer, to go ahead and give to their veggies. So we're going to show you how that's done. Located to my left here is a pressure filter, but where the real magic happens is in this vault here. As I said previously, a lot of people, they just feed their lawn with that nutrient-rich organic water from the pond, all that fish waste. So we created a way they're going to go ahead and harvest that. So right now, you see that water flushing out there? That is the fish waste water. Right now, of course, it's perfectly clean. It is a brand new pond, so they don't have fish in it just yet. But eventually, when we go ahead and clean that guy out, it is going to be a dark brown, nutrient-rich water that they're going to go ahead and use to go ahead and give to their chard, kales. I'm looking back there, man, they have a whole host of vegetables. And here we are in February in Southern California. I guess that's why we all love Southern California. So just another pond from Enviroscape LA. We're doing things for the kids, teaching them about sustainability. You could eat what you grow, and it could all be done in the classroom and learning environment here in Southern California. So when you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.